Then asset downloads can be done at the same time that when you are downloading an asset, and then will be the same that we saw when you are downloading the assets, and then I will download using the form, and then in this case I will download a specific project. Then I could look at my list of values if I don't know exactly the name of a project or the project number. In this case is that I could look for a specific asset inside that particular project. In my case, I will just download all of them. I'm not putting any search criteria. And when I say download, all the assets came here. And if you see, I have those 7 capital assets with all the information that I have available, plus all the information for the assignment for the task. If for any reason they appear without the task number, that means that the asset has been assigned to the project. I believe I have probably an example here. Yeah, then like for example, in this case, when they are assigned to the project, you will don't see the information on the task number because it's not information for the task number and it's assigned to the project itself.